Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Today in this video, we will continue the last part of chapter 6, which is converting relay schematics into PLC ladder diagram. Actually, we have done this in previous chapter, so this is going to be make it easier for you to understand. Okay, this is the example of sequential control process. As we know that so many food processing or process industry around us that use this kind of control, which is sequential control. What it means by sequential means that the process need to be from A to Z. It has to follow the sequence. It cannot jump. In this example, okay, we have the bottling system here. We want to prepare the product, start from beginning, which is we have an empty bottle here, go through a few processes until finally we end at the packaging station. Okay, so this is two stations or two processes that involve, which is fill the bottle with the product and we press the cap. Okay, so sometimes we call as a combination controls that require certain operation need to be performed without regard to order in which they are performed. Okay, so previously is sequential, this one is combination. Example here is how the process of placing the label, which is it has two labels. Okay, so the first label, meaning that at one station, this station will do two activities, which is place label 1 and place label 2. The other one is automatic control, which involves maintaining a desired set point of an output. Okay, this is normally closed loop control. The controller will control, in this case is furnace, it controls the temperature of the furnace to maintain a good process or a good product, a good end product. So when maintaining a certain set point temperature in a furnace, sometimes there is a deviation from set point, which is we call as error. Okay, so this error will taken care by this controller to get back to the set point, to correct the error so that we can the process, the temperature of the furnace is maintained at set point. This is the example of sequential process control relay schematic. Okay, so when you press or start button, the table, this table motor is started. Okay, press start button. You have a control relay. It has a limit switch Okay, this control relay, what is the function here? Previously, this is to hold the current here, so that you will have your motor is work. Okay, so when the motor is started, of course this package moves to the position of the limit switch. Okay, we'll move to the limit switch here, and stop button. When it come to limit switch, it automatically stops. The stop button that will stop the table for any reason. So normally in real application, stop button is used for emergency stop. So in any condition, when the stop button is pressed, all the process will be stopped automatically. Okay, it has two light here for indication, which is red light to indicate the table is stopped, and green light for the button is in running condition. So I hope this sequential process here, you can, before you build the ladder diagram, what you should do is first you draw flow chart of the process. Then only you able to see the process. And then from there, you draw the equivalent ladder diagram. Okay, so this is quite simple. I hope you're able to convert this control relay schematic into ladder diagram. So I think that's all for this part of chapter 6. So basically what you have learned throughout all the videos that you have seen or you have watched. First is you know now the functions of electromagnetic control relay, contactors, and also motor starters. Also, you know the switches. What are the sensors commonly used or commonly found in PLC installation? Suppose you know how to use internal relay. Either you can use output as your holding circuit, or you can use internal memory address. You can use skip function. You can use set and reset in case of if you use X programmer, and also you can use latch and unlatch if you use LetSim simulator. So that all this will help you to apply in various system later. Okay, so we have finished this chapter 6. Inshallah, you with this notes, I hope you able to understand. And if you have any question, please let me know. Either you can contact me through our group WhatsApp, through our WhatsApp group. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.